Hey guys, it's Macy, Fancy Time back in some more Roblox, and today we are playing Easy Po Lobby. Yeah guys, I did actually play like about few levels. 21 levels. I don't know why, I just got really bored before this because I wasn't supposed to record by that time. Don't know why. Don't know why I'm moving this fast though. They stole Minecraft. Roblox and Minecraft is not supposed to be. Oh good. Let's go ahead and try to resize it. Okay. Oh, oopsie daisies. So it looks like that. I'll just go ahead and get the full size on. Oopsie daisies. Oh. No thank you. Okay guys, so yes, today we are going to be playing Roblox but with a mix. Because I feel like it's been so long since we last did that. Oh my god, it happened again. So I have an idea on the next game we can play, but I'm not gonna tell. And yes, it will be sticking with the obby theme. Why can't I go? Here we go, here we go, here we go, 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 here we go, here we go, here we go. Go, 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 go. We go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, 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 go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, 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 go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, 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 go. What? Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, 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 go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Why am I singing this? Okay guys, so I don't know how many worlds or how many levels are there, but I'm guessing since I already did 21 levels, we're just gonna go ahead and do 20 more. So I have to check leaderboard. I already on world 3? Wait, what? Since when? Since when was I in world 3? Wait, what? Okay guys, I have probably mentally no idea why am I in world 3. I think I did this hobby. Oh wait, yeah, I did this hobby like maybe 2 years ago, last year? I forgot. But I did this hobby when it was like a very popular one. Obviously, we're going to have to do a few obbies types right now. And I don't know. I'm just going to do the most common obby. I'm going to tell you that Escape Barry's Prison obby. Because I've done that hundreds of times and it was a really easy obby and a really fun one as well. For me, at least. My opinion. Okay, let's go. Who's gonna walk all these stairs carrying this rod? Okay guys, so we're just like 6 more levels and then we're done. Oops. My game is a bit laggy right now, really sorry. Oh wait, what? Okay, so we are just gonna go ahead and do the next, but I want to see this speed 400. I want to see the speed 400. Speed changer. This is speed 1, this is speed. No, this is normal speeds. Oh, wait, what? Ooh. Oh. I thought this was normal speeds. I don't know. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and go to the world 1 till. Oh, there's only 3 worlds. Well, I guess I completed all of them, guys. These don't work. These actually don't work. Bro, this is so useful. Useless, I mean. Well, guys, I hope you liked this video. And if you did, make sure to subscribe. I'm joking. I'm very much joking. Who's gonna complete a video in 4 days and 4 minutes? So now we're gonna go ahead and play Barry's Prison Run because it is an okay, but instead of this, so there's many options. Comment down below which you guys want me to do. Oh wait, yeah, there's a Betty's Nursery first-person obby fixed. We're gonna go ahead and just check how many levels I can complete because I did do this. Yep. I just did it. Bro, I feel like I'm way smarter than this, and I can just, I just don't talk. I'm already so can I just go on? Why is that levitating, first of all? These blocks are very, very annoying. Oh my god, they're more annoying now. for